Camera recording.
I got the hand sanitizer in my hand.
I already sanitized my hands.
She don't know that.
Yes,
I bet she about to see my proof. She gonna see my proof.
Hi, butt cheek. Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's a delivery driver. Oh, that's your parcel gone. If you're going to be rude to the delivery driver.
Camera recording.
Hug. Oh, please tell me. First.
I think I like this a lot.
This is good family, right, Daddy?
I think I like this a lot.
Let's spend time, please.
I'm fine.
Marley, why you walk like that?
Like what?
Like you got.
Out with your friends, you ride the bike, and I don't give you no curfew. So tonight, Daddy got a girl coming over that he's gonna sit on the couch and watch a movie with, and you're not gonna tell your mother.
But Dad, you're not supposed to have girls over.
Are you gonna tell your mother?
Yep.